Not much hiding under there, but there's stuff under some things hiding. There's some bottle crackers. Actually, oh, these are those things that I like. These balloons. I love these things. Gyro balloons. What did you just pocket? We got tanks.
It don't matter. It's mine.
Rockets. This is
Roman
mine.
candles.
I love these things. These things are cool, guys.
I can take a pack of ladyfingers if I want.
Is that what you're doing? We got some more firecrackers, of course. We got more firecrackers and bottle rockets hiding down in there. We got this mortar that Eric is gonna love. Did you see? There was. Hold on, I gotta put. I do like these wolf pack rockets. Those are cool. Now we've got all of these. These are repeaters, I believe. Aren't these all repeaters? The Uncle Abe. So we got Uncle Sam and Uncle Abe. How ironic.
Sort of.
Yeah, I know. It says it on there. I'm showing them. We got Uncle Sam and we got Uncle Abe. So ironic.
I'll let you get a picture before I get.
My uncles. I got my uncles. Ironically, I did not know that the grand finale one was an Abe uncle.
We need to get a picture on the side to show how big these freaking shells are.
I know. We got all kinds of cool things in here. We got this thing.
There's nothing hiding in that one.
I know. You're just going to see the name. The Saturn Battery 800 shot.
I'll put these back.
What is this? Oh,
Mini
it's the electric
phones.
eels. And then this guy, you can't see its name, but it is 96 shot pearl. That's new. I don't remember that from last year. The Chinese New Year? Like from when we got it the last time?
I do.
Because I think we always get these assortments. Because I think I really love these ones. And my wolf packs, my firecrackers. Because I, Susie, love freaking firecrackers. Now these have a shit ton in them. How much they got in them? I don't think it tells me. I can't see where it tells me. 40? Wait, what is this? 11, 2. And then 40, 16. That's probably how big it is, huh? I don't know.
40 packs of 16.
Oh. There we go. See? I knew I'd figure it out. That's how many's in each of these. So we've got 4, 8. Damn. We got 120 firecrackers plus whatever's in this assortment. Which is awesome because I love firecrackers. We got this. That. And I chose this one. The Rottweiler. And then we got these. It's called Lock and Load. It's some more mortars. Whatever. There's some more mortars. There's 24 in there. And look, there's a bunch of shells. They're really big, but Eric's gonna get them out to show you how big. I didn't show you these pills. These things are out of space craftings. These things are cool. What are these? Ground blooms? There's so much stuff. Whoa.
There's 4 of these in here.
4 of those little tubes.
Tubes with the shots, yeah.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah, there is more in there. Okay, cool. Yeah. Anyways. I guess we can put them back.
I just wanted to see.
Yeah.
Oh, and it tells you what each.
We came outside. Because I'm a bad girl. And I'm totally going to throw a firecracker and an M80. So I'm going to set the M80 right there. We'll get out our firecrackers. light and toss this bitch. Y'all ready? Because I love firecrackers. Woo! Screw you, neighbors. Now we're going to light an M80. That's all. I didn't do nothing. I didn't do nothing.
Okay, got that back together.
I didn't do nothing. Sorry.
Ouch!
Alright, but that's it. That's what we got. All this fun stuff.
Move.
Mm.